Mia, here is your milk.
Give it fast.
Mia, what do we say?
Nothing?
Yes! No, please. No, thank you.
Who are you?
I am Rude Robot. I love bad manners.
No, thank you, mine. Sharing is for losers. I'm taking this. Hey, that's not yours. Give it back. Kind words make the world happy. Who are you? I'm Captain Kind, protector of good manners.
Please, thank you, sorry.
Can I have water, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Boring. Be rude. Ah!
Grab attack! No sharing blast! My turn. Please stop. I'm sorry I took your truck. Here, you can play with it. Let's share the truck.
Okay, sharing is fun.
Kids always remember to say, please, thank you, and sorry. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more fun videos.